Wow. It is quirky. Yeah. It's very good. Parrot. Okay, so it's now thundering. They have different weather systems going on. Can you hear the thunder in the restaurant? We have some mozzarella strips and some chicken. Ooh, thunder. Oh, hello, sir. Are you demanding to be heard? Yes. I think you are demanding to be heard, Mr. Elephant. Hello, and your friend over there as well. The starter was lovely, by the way. Wasn't the starter nice? Look at the remnants of the starter. They were yummy.
They were good.
They were very good. And I've got some Pims, and Matt's got a Long Island iced tea.